I want to bring your attention to the sidebar on the iWeb interface. And the sidebar is very important because it allows you to control the hierarchy of the pages as well as the different sites that you are working with. For example, I've got two pages on this site, a welcome page and a blank page. As you can see here at the very top, this is my navigation, and the names come from these pages over here. So welcome, welcome, blank, blank. Now, welcome comes first because it's the first one in the list. But if I drag blank and put it just on top of welcome, as you see here, in the navigation bar for my website, blank appears now first. Now, I mentioned that the sidebar also contains websites. Currently, I only have one site with a terrible default name called site. That is confusing. So one thing that I should do is rename this site to something more meaningful. And this one is my dummy site. So I'm clicking on the site, and as you can see, we get the options for publishing this particular site to a MobileMe account. I'm not going to get into the details right now. Let's just go with the defaults. The thing that I'm going to change is the site name, which I can change over here by simply just renaming it. Or another place where you can change the name of the site is by simply double-clicking on the name of the site over here and putting whatever you want. And as you can see, it does the exact same thing, regardless if you do it at the very top left or in the field over here. So in this case, I have only one website. Let me create another site. There's a couple of ways that you can do that. One is going to the File pull-down menu, choosing New Site, or another option is simply right-clicking in the sidebar and choosing New Site. Either way, it works exactly the same. When you choose to make a new site, iWeb gives you the choice of selecting a template. In this case, let me try this template down here, just because it's a little bit darker. And once you choose a template, you can select one of the multiple pages that are included in each one of those templates. For the sake of argument, and also for my own use during the course, I'm going to create a blank page. I could click on the Choose button or simply double-click on that page. As you can see now, we've got another site called, again, a terrible default name, site, and a blank page. So now we have two websites, one called dummy site, another one called site.